Hey everybody, it's Watachi, still running free. You guys had in about 4 hours. It's 10 o'clock Eastern time on the East Coast, where I'm at, and by 2 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, they're supposed to retest some national wireless system. Now this thing's only they said they've only done this 6 times in America where they do a test like this. Now they haven't been with the wireless. They've only done this one other time with the cell phones. Now this is supposed to all go out through TVs, radios, cell phones, everything. And I think the FCC saying it's just to test and make sure that the system is working. Now, there's some other people in high places that are now hiding from the government, that state. This is going to be something that they do. If it goes off on your phone, do not dismiss it. Don't do anything. It's hard saying what's behind this, but they say there's going to be a text sent, and this is for all the people that's opted into this will get it. Whatever it is, folks, it ain't going to be for the better of us or to better our situation in any way. It will be to better theirs. Whatever location of at the time of where you're at, what you're doing, or whatever, when you dismiss this signal, something, it's going to tell them something. How long this signal's going to go on, who knows? It's probably to show us all they could shut our phones down whenever they want. That's probably what it is. Because everything they do is to show us their power and control. People, they only control you with deception and force. And you think they like you. Come on. When they can no longer lie to you, they have nothing left but force. What you gonna do? May God bless us all. That's the only way out of this. Make no mistake, God loves you and so do I. And if you haven't knocked on Jesus' door yet, I suggest you do that. You're not going to like the outcome if you don't. Have a good day, folks.